A bit more on the fan noise. Now I've got two heaters plugged in here. Still my 500 watt one and then another 800 watt one. So we're outputting 1300 watts right now, which is kind of right around the max output. Sorry, it's not the max. This thing can do 1800. Let's turn this up. 1800, 1900 output. All right, so now we're at 21. We're surging here. We'll see if this will run both of these at the same time. We may just need to run one. Because yeah, we're outputting 2000 watts. Well, you can really hear the fans going, right? This is one of the biggest downsides of this unit. Let's pull off one of these. All right, so we're down to 1400 watts. Let's see that. These fans are just really loud. They're really loud. It's kind of annoying. Let's do a quick comparison real fast. Let me unplug this. You gotta turn off the AC button. Okay. Let's try the Jackery 1000, just a real quick comparison. See, it's got some fans too. And it's handling a 1300 watt surge here too. I don't think that the Jackery 1000 can handle this 1300 watts continuously, but it's got some fans too. So, you know, now that I'm hearing these actually side by side, and it just shut off because it can't handle it. So maybe I gotta give EcoFlow Delta a little more credit here. Being able to handle obviously a 1300 watt heater and its fans in comparison, maybe not so bad, but still kind of annoying. But interesting.